chilly morning, but the current and wind are blowing us straight to Georgetown, so we're gonna get the anchor up and get going. So way out there we have our little fender float attached to the anchor, so I know I need to pull the boat all the way up to it, that way we can get the anchor retrieved. It's quite a bit of current going on here. And we're off. We're heading out of this little creek, and then once we get out into the Waccamaw River again, we'll put the sails up and we'll be on a run straight down to Georgetown. So it's looking good. The winds are being really cooperative right now, so we're flying just our staysail, which we call Stan, and we're doing 4.2 knots over ground. Now that's not because there's a lot of wind and we have a lot of sail up, it's simply because there's a really strong current here. Now, we're running the generator because when we enter Georgetown, we're going to turn and actually go against the current for a little bit. So we have the motor in neutral, and the generator is on, just trying to charge up as best we can until we get there. It's really cold out here.
I made you some tea. Careful.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Thank you. That's good and warm on a cold day. I really needed this.
The book I'm reading right now is called The Proving by Beverly Lewis, and it's a pretty good book. I'm enjoying it. The story is nice. It's about a girl from Amish country, Lancaster County, and who runs a bed and breakfast. It's a relaxing book to read. It's nice. Not extremely well written, but a really nice story, and it's keeping me turning the pages, so I do recommend it.
So we were coming into the Georgetown Harbor, and we were in the channel and ran aground. You'll see we're stupid close to that pier. And there's this big open area, and then there's a public pier. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna row the anchor out and then drop it somewhere in that area. And then we'll be anchored. We can leave the boat, and as the tide comes in, she'll start floating and sit on the anchor instead of the bottom.
Georgetown, so now we are going to take advantage of our only evening here and go to River Room. It has the best reviews online, so I chose that one, and it also seems to be really nice, different food. So, that being said, it's cold, but that's okay. We're gonna see Georgetown anyway. We should have brought a bucket. It's just as smooth as it looks.
Wrinkly.
Hey, look at that hairy tree there. Wow. This house is from 1885. hoping to go to the Rice Museum, but it's closed, and unfortunately, we're only going to be here today. If weather turns and fortune sees us here tomorrow, we'll definitely check it out.
I think we should get ice cream now.
Let's ask about their hours.
I think we should get ice cream now.
Rum raisin ice cream. Never had it before? Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I've never even seen it as a flavor. Old Fish House. The river room.
Now we get to turn south and we'll be on a broad reach straight to Charleston.
I am sleeping out here to keep Herbie company and in case he needs me real fast.
We made it. It's 4:30 and we're now anchored in Charleston.
4:30 in the morning.
Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to become a sailing buddy, you can click the link down below to our Patreon account.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And when you click subscribe, make sure you click on the little bell in the annotation. That way you get notifications as soon as our next video is uploaded.
Thanks so much!